Hi everybody, I'm Amanda Finks. Today I'm showing you how to make my recipe for maple bourbon chili. This hearty beef and bean chili has deep, rich flavor of bourbon with the sweetness of maple syrup. If you're looking for a way to jazz up chili night this week, this maple bourbon chili is it. I first published this recipe a few years ago, and since then I've had at least a dozen people email me to tell me that they won their local chili cook-off using this exact recipe. People love that this recipe is unique, it's tasty, and it's comforting. Let's get started. Add 1 pound of 90% lean ground beef to a large soup pot and place it over medium-high heat. Break the beef apart with a wooden spoon. Add 1 medium yellow onion that's been chopped, cook this together for 6 to 8 minutes until the beef is cooked through and the onion is translucent. Add 2 garlic cloves that have been minced, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of pepper, half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and 1 tablespoon of chili powder. Stir this together and cook for 1 minute. Add a 15-ounce can of red kidney beans that have been drained and rinsed. Add a 15-ounce can of petite diced tomatoes, an 8-ounce can of tomato sauce, a 1/4 cup of bourbon, and a 1/4 cup of maple syrup. Make sure that you use a bourbon that you would actually want to drink in this recipe because the flavor of the bourbon will come through in the chili. If you like your chili a little thinner, at this point you could add up to a cup of water. I typically add about a half a cup of water to mine. Stir this together, bring it to a boil, and then reduce the heat so that the chili simmers. Let it simmer for 30 minutes. I like to serve my chili with shredded cheddar cheese, sour cream, and green onions. If you're looking for a way to jazz up chili night this week, this maple bourbon chili is it. Give this recipe a try, I'm sure you're gonna love it. Be sure to follow me for more great recipes. Thanks for watching.